Hey foragers and wild foodies, it's James the Forager here, and today we're creating a mouth-watering treat from the coast. It's called Sea Purslane Tapenade. Of course, we'll start by hand foraging our sea purslane from the coast. We'll pick just the fresh tops, the best bits we can get, and we of course have a full video for identifying sea purslane, so don't panic about that. Once we've got our basket full, we're going to head back to the kitchen. We're going to grab a blender and get ready to create our sea purslane tapenade. So we're going to chuck these all straight into the blender. We're going to start with a generous handful of sea purslane, about a hand's worth, and remember to remove any woody parts. We don't want any stringy woody stems in there. Next, 150 grams of pitted green olives, quarter of a red onion, nicely chopped, 2 garlic cloves, and then top it all off with 100 ml of olive oil, and of course, season it well with salt and pepper. Then all these ingredients in, we're going to get the blender going. We're going to churn this up. Personally, I like it slightly chunky, but if you want it smooth, you can keep blending and blending until a nice smooth paste is made. That's it. We're going to transfer your delicious creation to a bowl and add a final touch of freshly cracked black pepper on top. And we have it. Our sea purslane tapenade is ready to be devoured. Of course, we can have that with just cheese and crackers and munch away to our delight. Or we can try and do some other things with it. We could elevate our favourite salad with a dollop of this tangy delight. We could pair it with grilled fish or chicken or even pork to take our dinner to new heights. Or we can use it as a flavorful spread on dough to jazz up a pizza night. Or we could even keep it simple, mix it through pasta, a little bit of salad and chicken for a light dinner. That's it, get creative. We kind of come up with these recipes, but there's loads of ways to utilise this stuff. So let's grab our baskets and head out to the coast.